On this episode, we discover why this Toyota was abandoned for 20 years. You won't believe what I found in this motor. This truck has been taken over by rats and tarantulas. Even after pressure washing it 152 times, it never fails to deliver rat poop. When I bought this truck, it was supposed to be used for parts for my Back to the Future replica, but it looks like my Back to the Future replica is parts for this truck. The rats really did a number on this whole wiring harness. But once I get that buttoned up, and now that the drivetrain's in, it should fire up here pretty soon. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time for the first start in 20 years.